just landed in Los Angeles, California to attend one of the biggest BMW events in the entire world. The only problem we have is we're across the country and I don't have any of my cars. We don't have a car at all. So, well, we don't have a car yet. We gotta go get a little ride for the weekend. We're up to the car right now. We're about a minute away. It is 115 degrees. We landed an hour ago, haven't ate a single thing of food. I'm about to actually pass out, but we have priorities here. Car first, then health. Me and Travis, we're gonna come here. It's like a little fun trip. Now it's gonna be a fun trip. We weren't even gonna record this weekend.
A super fun trip.
This is blue balled us so hard right now. He said 3 minutes away.
It's been
4 minutes ago.
4 fucking minutes.
I'm gonna tell him we're driving back to Maryland. So you think we'll make it back to Maryland, right? No problem. My sweet ride for the weekend. There it is. Yes, sir. This is what I'm talking about. What's up, man? You guys mind if we just take for like a test drive around the neighborhood real quick? If you don't mind. Where are you coming from? Maryland. Oh shit. Yeah, we driving it back. You think it'll make it? You know, BimmerInvasion. We're trying to pull up in the most like beat up shit possible.
There you go, bro.
It's perfect. So, I mean, honestly, it's a 40-minute drive back to the hotel. You think it's got it?
100%.
Look at this sweet rig right there. 2,323 in California. Now, look, we could have got a rental for like 200 bucks, or we could have just bought a BMW for $1,000. I think I
made the right decision.
I think I made the right decision.
You're missing something here.
Oh. Okay, there we go. Oh, now we're missing that one. Oh, I got us. There's like cut wires in here, the radio ain't even here, but we have AC, that's all that really matters in California where it's 115 degrees and I'm sweating my dick off. There's a slight AC leak, so we might get high. Now that we're not test driving it, there is a low oil light, so I love that. This is gonna be interesting.
Yeah.
We've been here for an hour.
Welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Motherfucker!
I'm gonna real life detail. Everyone! Just wait till I come in on my flying motorcycle. We're on our first street race. All right, we ready? Go ahead.
You ready?
Oh! Yeah! Hold on, fellas. This thing might be the slowest vehicle I've ever driven in my life. Like when I hit the gas, I almost like I don't even.
It don't do nothing.
That first gear floored. I mean, that's all she's got.
Yeah, when you said like what, 30?
130.
Oh.
Bro! What's this?
What does that smell?
It honestly smells like nothing.
It
just
smells like gas, don't it?
It just gotta burn off, dude. All right, it's fine. We'll just drive it.
That can't be good for your health.
There's a lot of stuff not good for my health.
Body's blown up.
It feels good. RPM's alright?
But it doesn't smell like oil or anything. I mean, we're gonna drive it regardless. I hope it's not anything serious. It doesn't smell like coolant or oil. We do have a window that works. The smoke isn't really nothing to worry about.
Welcome to our crib. Wyatt will be here in a second.
In a second?
Yeah.
He's down that road apparently.
He's gonna pull up. He's pulling up on a tricycle.
What's up, man?
We non-stop fill up on gas all the time at the shop because we like fast cars, which means 0 gas mileage. So this app right here I've been using recently called Upside. It earns you money per gallon that you get on gas. So if you go on the app right here, you can see thousands of gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores. And the gas station app right now earns you 106 cents per gallon.
How does it work?
Let me tell you what it works. So, gonna go ahead. We're at this Exxon gas station right there. Click it, claim. All you have to do is upload the receipt. So I'm gonna go. They're saving people, we're saving gas. Credit card in, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up real quick, and then all I have to do is upload the receipt to the app. Here's the trick. They always ask if you want to wash with your gas. You just, all right, the X3 is filled up with 87 now. Do I want a receipt? Absolutely. Oh. Normally I always just ignore that message, but this time I hit yes. So we're gonna hit upload receipt, bang. You're done. Within 2 to 4 days, I'm gonna go ahead and get my cash back on there. And now this is not rewards points with your gas. This is actual hard-earned money that you get back and you can transfer it in the app to your bank account. Go get your old lady something to eat. There's even top Upside earners making as much as $300 a month. So make sure to click the link in the description to download the free Upside app and use code Wyatt to get an extra 25 cents back for every gallon on your first tank of gas.
Fucking joking. Doesn't your dad have a bad history with this thing?
Yeah.
What you know about it?
Have you thought far enough ahead on how you're gonna get this?
Yeah, so hear me out. I'm just gonna leave it in parking lot.
You in reverse?
I don't think that's reverse.
What the fuck?
Reverse worked all the way up until this point, so okay, so reverse doesn't
Just
exist.
do a loop-de-loop.
It's stuck in the fence. Alright, it's closed. Alright, it's the next morning now, and we were 3 hours delayed because we're from Maryland, so we were really tired. All we did after we got to the house was pretty much just sleep. So we are currently an hour out from our big car event today. We don't have a car show ticket to even get in, and there's also a drift competition that we were unaware about that we're also going to try to get this car in. So there's no better place to prep a stock car for a big car show than the one and only AutoZone. The aisle where you can make dreams happen. Say absolutely no more.
Vector.
That's it. That is it right there. Man, you think that hood scoop can look sweet on the car?
No.
Go work. Dude, she might struggle with a drift event today. We gotta put on all of our mods at the car show. We're running late per usual. And somehow get into the show, which shouldn't be too hard. And then getting into the drift contest, which might be slightly difficult. Under our circumstance, it might be slightly difficult. Man, we get a little dig racing? You wanna get a little racing? Dude, he will not acknowledge me. Oh, he's wrapped in. Yeah, what do you want to do? Yeah, he's lucky. He's lucky we had AC on. It was on the whole time. The AC was on the whole time. I definitely did not just turn that on. I remember my first paycheck. I feel so cool right now. Just me hanging out with my guys right here on the same payroll.
I feel so embarrassed to sit in this thing, dude.
We got an AC 130 in here. You got no idea what AC 130 is.
No, he just look at you confused as fuck.
This was not planned, but we got single-handedly selected to go to the burnout competition by one of the employees here. We weren't gonna do the burnout competition because like we don't want to, you know, mess up our sweet ride here. But they were like, we're okay with getting embarrassed, so we're gonna do it. Oh my God, look at that. All right, here we go. Let's keep going on.
Officially a hot rod. Oh yeah.
We're ready for the burnout competition. Really wish we had a welded diff. Look, they're all pointing at us. Yeah, that's us.
It's a big crowd. I'm in a big shitter.
Look at all the people better watch us. Oh, we going stupid! Man, what you think of the hood scoop up there? My man.
I like it.
My man. So this is drifting or burnouts?
Burnout one spot.
Okay.
Yeah, you might fuck it up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, extra tires in the back? Oh, no.
Hell no.
You could just tow it home, right?
Yeah, or that's an S58 shit. We ain't got that. We ain't got those problems.
Yeah.
We're good.
We're good. Just do a fucking drifting.
Let's go make some action. Those little ass burnouts.
Wait till I get out in that pan.
All right, you gotta one up that track. You gotta one up it.
I'm just gonna stand still until it don't fucking burn out that more.
Here she goes. There's actually so many people watching. It's hilarious. Oh my God. Yeah, let's go. Let her eat! Let her eat! Yes, sir!
I'm up.
Oh, you want it? You want the keys?
I'm up.
You gave her all she had, though. I mean, that's all she had.
That's everything.
That's everything she had.
I won't do it.
Look how bad he's sweating. That boy got the sweats.
I had to keep the windows up.
Felt like a straight porta potty in that bitch. I probably.
Every bit of it.
All right, Austin's get the keys. This car fit you better than a Porsche.
Oh, hell yeah.
You look way
Good
better.
in here.
All right, it should not be a big issue, but we gotta one up that.
I don't know about all that.
You got some competition out there. This watch is worth about 60 of these. He's gonna do it. He's gonna put it in the wall. In the wall.
Yeah!
Is this spin a boat?
Yeah, it's been a boat.
Oh! Wait, does he have reverse?
smoking the tires.
That's what I'm fucking talking about, boy.
Yeah, that was
Let's
like,
go.
I'm in the car like this. Having the break.
It still runs.
Watch this, ready? Like it ain't nothing. Don't worry about it, clean his car here.
Wait, hold up.
My man.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Man, you wanna buy the ride?
If it's hot, no, if it's fucking.
No, it's an auction car.
What auction?
Ah, we don't know.
Quick, what auction?
I'm not sure, I got no idea.
It ain't hot,
It's a little bit fucking.
No, we just bought it to drive over the weekend. That's literally it. Yeah, because we're flying back Monday.
Yeah, this thing runs like a top though, boy.
Yeah, we're flying.
Maryland, yes, sir.
We just drove it for the car show.
Take it easy. He thought we stole it, did you hear him?
Yeah, he thought
He
it
really
was
thought
hot.
we stole it.
You got me running, baby.
Here's my bird. Yeah, you fucking bitch. That mirror said you were not shit. I would have let it slide if you did it right there, but clearly you made a pudding. So if he is able to recreate what I just did, the first try, it was first try, come on.
It was.
He's allowed to smash my mirror.
Never trust a leprechaun.
God damn it. Oh, shit, watch out.
Ow, my toe.
This is bad, I didn't even get insurance on it yet. This is really bad, guys. Yeah, what you know about it? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's what I know. That's what I know.
Oh my God.
That's what I know. That's what I know. That's what I know.
And for what? Man, y'all ass low, boy.
We're gonna see how a 2003. Would you keep it down back there? I get it. First time in a nice car, I don't know how to act. I completely understand. We're gonna see how the 2003 performs under some serious road conditions.
Oh fuck. Yo, what the fuck is
I
that?
hear a coyote.
Is that a coyote?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like right there.
Yo, bro.
That's not a coyote. Coyotes don't whistle, bro.
You would be surprised. I've heard one whistle before. Remember the song Chill Bill? Coyote sung that.
You mean whistled?
No, he sung it. Hey, close that door real quick. Thanks, bro.
Oh!
Hey. Hertz Car Rental's gonna be so fucking not happy with me.
Yeah!
That was bad!
That was pretty good!
That was bad, fellas! Hey, what do you guys think about performance right there?
Oh!
If you don't look, there's no problem.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I've never tried this before in my life, but I'm gonna attempt a J-turn. So,
Watch it.
am I clear back there? Am I good back there?
I think so. You might be good.
All right.
Wait. Oh! Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! What was that?
That was a radiator.
Was it a radiator?
Yeah, it's leaking all over.
Where?
The floor.
Where?
Over here.
Where at?
Like right here. I mean, bro, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty apparent.
Where?
It.
I don't see it.
Up a little more. Can you go up more? Is that pot? Can you go up? Up a little more. Like a little more. Yeah. Shane. Oh, bro.
Now my car's leaking coolant.
Damn. Yeah.
Yo, we got a serious verbal performance. Okay, so that wraps up today's episode. Make sure to buy the merch at shopweapons.com. Just gonna let this clip roll until the thing behind me blows up. Hey, hold on. We might have did it.
Wait a second. We might have done
We
it.
might have did it. That's a tick.
Did we just?
We blew up an M52 motor. All right, so Travis just woke up. You ready to hit the canyons? Alright, come on. God damn, buddy. When we get to the top, there's like a big, there's like cutoffs up there. So you're gonna get the keys to a J-turn. You have to find like a wall or something.
Just crash into it. Okay.
Alright.
What the?
Bro, where's the car, bro? Did someone take it? Well, that's fucking peculiar. Wow.